So this is what Jacinta said about deportation.
In a population like South Africa, where they say they deport the same people that we went to, we deport, they come back.
Yeah.
Right? They can't even be sure how many people, individual people they've deported right now. They can say we've deported 50,000 people,
But
but
half
some
of
of
them
them
are
get
coming
off from the bus and come
and
back
come
in.
back, yeah.
So they can't even be sure of how many people they've
So
deported
this means that the
themselves.
mass deportation, therefore, is self-defeating because those people are still allowed to come
And
back.
the border is wide open.
And this is what Malema said about deportation.
You go and put them in Lindela with our state money, which you are saying it's supposed to buy medicine. We pay buses, we take them back. They come back the following day, not next week. The solution is let's go and document these people. Because whether you like it or not, my brother, they are here. You know what they do in December? They hand themselves over in Lindela so that they can go and eat Christmas at home. And then in January, they come back. That money could have been used